Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We from Group 5 are going to present about our topic for mini project which is car rental system. So this is my group members. My name is Azlin Natasha binti Agus Sabi.
My name is Ahmad Zakwan Haikal bin Zaini.
My name is Amira binti Ahmad.
Hello guys, my name is Alif Hazi bin Azman.
Okay, first of all, we know that a journey planned without a car is just a waste. If you want to rent a car, UMP car rental system can provide you choices of car to choose from. Okay, we move to the objective part. Before we developed this system, there were a lot of problems that students are facing from the old system, where they found it hard to find a rental car in University of Malaysia Pahang. In order to overcome this problem, UMP car rental system has been established. The main objective for UMP car rental system are to transform the manual process of renting cars in University of Malaysia Pahang to a computerized system and to validate the rental car system using user satisfaction tests.
I will explain about our case study on how our system works and what is in our system. There are two users who have access to our system. The first one is admin. Admin is the person who can view and control user details that are stored in the database. And the second one is the user who is in charge to complete an online form in the car rental process. In this case, the user is only among the UMP students. Our system consists of two car types, which are 4-seaters and 6-seaters. We give the user two options for each type of car. For 4-seaters, Axia and Saga, and 6-seaters, Alza and Exora. So they can choose according to their interests, but the prices are different for each car. So the prices of the car are as displayed in the slide. For any late return, we charge 20 ringgit per hour late and 100 ringgit per day late to the user as a penalty, and it will be added to the total fee that they have to pay.
So hi guys. So at the input and processing output part, we use an IPO chart to design it, the input, processing, module number and output for a solution of a problem. So as you can see, the IPO chart, it divided into 4 groups, which is input, processing, module reference, and output. So for the input part, which is the information that the user or either the admin that need to kick in the system in order to order the car. And let me explain some of the input that may ease the user to use. For example, the hour rent or the dead rent, it means that how many hour or how many day that you want to rent the car. Plus the hour receipt and the day receipt is when you return the car. So next. So basically our IPO chart or the IPO or the processing is quite long as you can see, because there's a lot of calculation and the car type that we use, plus the rental type, which is hour or day. They can choose whether they want to rent for a day or for within hours, something like that. So next. So lastly, as you can see, the system will print out all of the important information that the user or the admin needed, like the hour late day late, fee late, total fee, which means the hour late is the if they choose to rent within hours, so the system will display the hour that they late because they send late. That's all for me.
Okay, I will explain about programming. We use programming C so as for input and output. Input means to provide the program with some data to be used in the program. And output means to display data on screen or write the data to a printer or a file. So for programming, we use code blocks application to create coding based on algorithm. Next. So this is the sample output from our coding program. First, the user will need to enter all of their information in order to complete the online form. After the user filled the form, it will calculate the fees immediately. The system has a payment field that can be used to display the total amount due to be paid. So, so lastly, for our conclusion, our objective which are to develop a system that will help the students to transform the manual process of renting cars in University of Malaysia Pahang to a computerized system and to validate the rental car system using user satisfaction tests are achieved. This project is very useful for the management of booking cars. This system is developed in order to overcome the problems faced by students that using the manual way to rent a car. So that's all from us and thank you.